Niya, paniwalaan niyo ako dahil ako ay trusted ni Atong Amo. How ridiculous is that?
For Barreto's lawyer, Patidongan has no credibility and does not have any evidence to back his allegations. Patidongan is a former aide of Ang, who is also considered a suspect in the missing Sabongeros case. Although Barreto is hurt by the issue, her camp believes it is not yet time to file a case against Patidongan as it will not help clear her name.
The damage that has already been done, it's like yung putik. Pag tinapon niyo ng putik, paano mo matatanggal yung mancha?
While police continue to investigate the case, the National Police Commission says they have received feelers from people who claim to have direct knowledge of the incident.
Feelers come from different people. That can be a police officer also, that can be a civilian, but we are receiving feelers from different entities giving information.
NAPOLCOM is hoping the sources will submit sworn affidavits to secure their testimonies.
Very interesting yung story. Anyone who builds on the story of another, anyone who corroborates, I think builds on the credibility of that witness.
Meanwhile, Philippine National Police Chief General Nicolas Torre III says they welcome any volunteers to be a state witness, particularly from the 15 police personnel implicated in the case.
Of course, that's one of the directions that we can take. Even without that, we can solve this case, even without the cooperation of the suspects.
The 15 police officers are under restrictive custody at Camp Crame pending investigation. Police have begun visiting other possible areas where the bodies of other cockfight enthusiasts have been dumped, particularly in Batangas, Laguna, Metro Manila, and other nearby areas. Authorities are also determined to conduct retrieval efforts into a lake, but inclement weather is hindering the operations. The mayor of Laurel, Batangas admits that the issue at the lake may affect tourism and the livelihood of fishermen. He says he's willing to cooperate with the retrieval operations.
Naghihintay lang po kami dito at kami naman po willing na tumulong kung ano po yung magagawa naming assistance.
But according to the Department of Justice, a victim's body is not necessary to prove that a murder took place, consistent with the Corpus Delicti doctrine or other means to establish that a killing occurred. Michael Delizo, ABS-CBN News.
Malacanang is calling for an extensive probe into the disappearance of cockfight gamers. Authorities were urged to dig deeper after the Justice Secretary raised a possible link between the people behind the Sabongeros case and the extrajudicial killings during the drug war of the Duterte administration.
Kung ganyan po ang nakikita sa mga investigasyon, mas lalo pa po dapat itong palawigin yung pag-iimbestiga nito. Dahil mukhang konektado ang mga nagawang krimen kung ito man po ay mapapatunayan.
Meantime, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa says he's willing to reopen a Senate probe into the missing Sabongeros if a colleague asks for it. De la Rosa conducted 4 hearings on the issue in 2022 when he was chairperson of the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs. He adds they submitted their committee report to the relevant government agencies. The senator believes influential people are behind the disappearances.
Hindi mo siguro mag-isa pa yung gano'ng laking tatlong 34 na mga tao kung walang nasa likuran dyan na very influential. Diba? At nagbibigay ng kumpas. Sa atin lang, at that time, we don't have the evidence to connect to the management ng yung pitmaster dahil nga wala talagang ebidensya na magkukunik. Hanggang doon lang tayo sa disappearance na may kumuha na tao.
Philippine congressmen in favor of Vice President Duterte's impeachment agree with a survey in which a majority believes senators are deliberately delaying her trial. One of her Senate allies says he will file a motion asking his colleagues whether they should continue the impeachment process begun by the previous Congress. Vivian Gulia reports.
A House prosecutor and at least 3 congressmen agree with 44% of Filipinos who believe the Senate is delaying the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. They issued this statement after a social weather station survey conducted last June 25 to 29 showed 44% of respondents believe the Senate deliberately does not want to immediately start Duterte's impeachment trial. 25% do not believe so, 22% are undecided, and 9% do not know enough to give an opinion on the matter.